Am I the a-hole for not telling my ex that he's the baby's daddy? So 5 years ago, I broke up with my high school sweetheart, Jay. He was a year above me and went to a college half an hour away. And I had applied to my dream college that was across the country. He wanted to try and make it work, but I wasn't so hopeful because my classes would have all of my time and neither one of us could afford to travel back and forth across the country. I mean, he was already stressed with his classes, his job, and basically raising his younger siblings, so I broke up with him. I still loved him, but it didn't make any sense for us to stay together at the time. He went completely silent the last couple of weeks of high school and then blocked me from everything as soon as I graduated. Then he told all of our mutual friends that he was completely done with me. I tried to contact him, but he said that he wanted nothing to do with me and told me to leave him alone. And it wasn't until I moved across country to live with my aunt for college that I found out that I was pregnant. The only mutual friend of ours that didn't cut me off told me that I probably shouldn't tell him because he already had so much on his plate raising his other siblings and all, and he had worked really hard to get to the point that he's at right now. I still wanted to tell him, but I had no way to do it. Then I met my current boyfriend T when my daughter was still a baby, and he happily took up the fatherly role. So a few months ago, T got a job near the town that I used to live in. So yesterday we decided to visit my hometown so that we could say hi to my parents and a few close friends. We were at the grocery store when my daughter H's hand slipped out of mine and she took off running down the aisle. I took off to go after her, and when I caught up to her, somebody caught my eye. I could see the guy pause, but then he took off immediately. I didn't fully see him, but I knew without a doubt that it was Jay. So I got a call from a mutual friend this morning, and they told me that now that I'm back in town, it would be cruel not to tell Jay that H was his daughter. This really pissed me off because this was the same girl that told me that I shouldn't tell Jay about H in the first place. I don't think I want to put all of this stress on H because she has a stable family life. And I heard that Jay has another kid who he's barely in their life right now. So I told the girl for that reason I don't want him meeting my daughter. He can meet her when he's ready to be a real father. My dad agrees with me, but my mom and the friend are saying that I'm being cruel and heartless for keeping Jay from his daughter. I mean, at this point, I keep seeing him around town and I still haven't told him. So am I an a-hole for not wanting him in my kid's life? Yeah, you are. I mean, you're an a-hole for not telling him that you were pregnant in the first place. Maybe not an a-hole for telling him, but she definitely could have made more of an effort. And this is one of those things that's probably gonna blow up in a few years once the daughter starts asking questions. Remember, you were the one who broke up with him. He deserved to know that he had a child on the way. So yeah, you're an a-hole and you can't blame the friend for telling you not to tell him. You can't let a friend dictate if you're gonna tell someone if they're the father of your kid or not. But I don't know, maybe I'm being too harsh. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Also, besties, you have to let me know what you think about the final results to my newest purple pumpkin with a black sparkly hat. So I've actually had this video in my gallery for weeks and I should have posted it during Halloween, but I could never figure out what color I wanted to paint the door. So now I'm desperate and I need you guys' opinions. Should I paint the door black, gold, or should I just leave it? Also, if you have any other ideas on what color I should use for the door, drop it in the comments. And if you guys made it all the way to the end of the video to show me that you're a true supporter, drop some purple and black emojis in the comments. All right, besties, I love your faces so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love debating with you guys in the comments. Even if I don't agree with you, never take it personally because literally I just love to debate. It's in my nature. So anyways, guys, thank you for being here and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.